Every market cycle has its own vibe. Every generation likes to tell themselves that this time is different, and every single time the ending catches almost everyone off guard. Well, everyone except history. Look, the markets usually feel like a storm, chaotic, noisy, and totally unpredictable. But for those who know where to look, history doesn't just repeat, it rhymes. We're all moving through a cycle right now. Understanding exactly where we stand is the difference between building real wealth and losing it all.
Here on the Market Thinker, we've already started building the foundation. We've dove into the Buffett indicator and the CAPE ratio to see if prices are getting ahead of themselves. We've also looked at the anatomy of human greed through a short history of financial euphoria, and even questioned if this AI boom is a repeat of the past by breaking down Howard Marks's latest insights. But the blueprint isn't finished yet. Over the next few months, we're going much deeper. I'm going to share some simple, objective tools to help you filter out the noise, everything from sentiment indicators to valuation ratios that tell us if the market is running a fever or shivering in fear. We're going to look back so we can look forward. By studying the DNA of past crashes, we can spot the patterns before they happen again. But we also have to deal with the invisible hand of the modern world, how current government and monetary policies are warping the cycles we used to know.
Finally, we're going to put all the pieces together to answer the one question that actually matters for your portfolio right now. Where exactly are we in this cycle? Are we closing in on the peak, or does this run still have some legs?
If you haven't seen our foundational episodes on the Buffett indicator or the history of financial bubbles, I've linked those in the description below. Better yet, you can find the complete market cycle blueprint playlist right there as well. It's the curated path we'll be following for the rest of the season. Subscribe now to join me for the next chapter. Let's stop guessing and start thinking.